how to use Invideo AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Invideo AI, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to use Invideo AI, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is just go to invideo.io, and assuming you've logged in and so on, right here you can see you can choose the model. So you have the advanced version and you have the normal version here. Then you can simply go ahead and then enter your prompt, and you can click on the generate video option. Obviously the free version has its own limits, so it will generate something like, if I go to my history tab, you should be able to see everything that you will be able to find over here, and you will be able to see all those prompts and everything that this AI has actually generated. You can choose to upgrade to your plan by clicking on the upgrade plan option. You can enter any prompt, including how you want the voice to sound and any of the other things that you might have over here. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.